Here they just want you to find the slope of the line. Right now this is in what we call standard form. And if you wanted to see the different forms of a line, you can go to programs and we're gonna go to function. So I could just press alpha cosine to get right to the f's, function, and then we're gonna go into linear. Notice you have three forms for a line. The current form is standard. We want it in slope intercept so we can easily identify the slope. So let's go ahead and isolate y. To do so, we'll first subtract the 8x on both sides. Remember, this negative needs to come down because we didn't do anything with it just yet. We could put 1 minus 8x, but if I want it in slope intercept form, mx plus b, I might as well put the negative 8x first, and then to get y by itself, I'm going to divide everything by negative 6. I'm not a fan of putting both terms over negative 6. I would rather put each of the individual terms over negative 6, and then two negatives make a positive, and technically I don't have to reduce the 8/6. This part really is irrelevant because they don't really want the y-intercept. So I could put 8/6 as my answer, or I could put the reduced form of 4/3. And finally, I could put the decimal equivalent. I'm not a fan of doing that because it starts to get a little bit confusing. Well, how many places do I go out? Since they do take 5 characters, it would be 1.333. That's 5 characters right there, including the decimal and the 1. So the safer bet for me is just putting either 8/6 or even better, 4/3.